Guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful crochet butterflies, and creating a crochet butterfly can be a fun and quick project or a simple pattern for a crochet butterfly. Yarn of your choice, two colors if you want a contrast between the body and wings, crochet hook for your yarn, and different latest style chain and stitches, single crochet and double crochet, and slip crochet stitches. So I hope you like it. Make a magic ring like chain free counts has one double crochet and work 3 double into the ring, chain 3 slip stitch into the ring. So different and latest ideas and different beautiful design. You can also use as contrasting different ideas and different look styles for crochet ideas, like color to warp around the center to create a more distance body, and attach the wings and body together by weaving in the ends or using a bit of glue if necessary, and use different colors for the wings and body to make the butterfly more different. Use different yarn weights and hook size to create butterflies of various size. So